This 1950 house had one outlet per room, so I added a new circuit for 3 bedrooms. But did I just create a problem? Let's test it. My house still has old wiring with no ground, so I did not want to tie into that. Instead, I ran a new 20 amp circuit and added 6 outlets. But I've never used them all at once before, so today, let's give it a go. And I'm only running normal stuff, nothing crazy like space heaters or guitar amplifiers. Pretty much just TVs, computers, iPhone chargers, video game consoles. But let's check out the run. All right, here we go, the mothership, the start of the run. Created this, goes down through here into the crawl space. GFCI protected up there, so everything downstream is protected. I didn't go through the attic because at the time, I didn't have the flooring down. And there's 2 things on planet Earth that scares me. It's falling through an attic and people putting tomatoes in my food. So I went through the crawl space and then pulled it up through here. We created that outlet right there. And then I wanted to create this TV outlet and the drywall was all messed up. So I just ended up redoing the drywall. Pulled the outlet up through, now we're in the attic, and originally in here, there's 2 outlets over here now. I've got the TV outlet behind here so there's no eyesores, and then the soundbar outlet down here behind the dresser. But then I wanted another outlet in the office, so I cut it and then made a junction box, spliced it, and then we created, it's laundry day, chill out. And then we created this one. So let's fire them all up. All right, studio light in the kitchen, and I've never used these, but they're here. We're going into the GFCI outlet. I'd imagine this pulls 1.5 amps. Good to go, 1 down. All right, bottom outlet, we're gonna have a DeWalt battery charger. I guess that's gonna take up maybe half an amp, and the TV maybe 2 total combined. Ship shape, 1, 2, and 3 down. All right, bigger TV and soundbar. And it's not how many outlets you have, it's how much load you are putting on the current. Outlets don't pull power. The stuff you plug the outlets into do when they are on. Everything is still on, nothing is tripped. 4 and 5 down. But here's the big boy. All right, everything is still on. This is the last one I'm worried about. It's gonna have the biggest load. I got 2 computers, external monitor, a light, a desk light. Let's go. Saw an arc. No problem at all. You know what that means? I'm gonna add 1 more light in the attic to this circuit. If you made it to the end of this video, you're a true barrage.